In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video ratio in Renderforest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between widescreen and portrait so your video looks perfect on the platform you're targeting. First, open the Renderforest homepage in your browser and sign in so you can access your work. From the main dashboard, look for the Projects section. This is where all your saved videos live, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Open your projects, then find the video you want to adjust and click Edit. This takes you into the video editor where you'll see your timeline, preview window, and the main controls across the top. At the top of the editor, you'll notice an aspect ratio indicator. This might show something like 16.9 or 9:16 depending on your current setup. Click that ratio. This is the control that lets you change how your video is framed. Now choose the format that suits your destination. Widescreen is ideal for platforms like YouTube, websites, and most desktop viewing, while portrait is perfect for mobile-first platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Stories. Pick the one you need. A quick tip: think about where the majority of your audience will watch. If it's on phones, portrait often gives you the most screen real estate. If it's on laptops and TVs, widescreen is the safer choice. When you've made your selection, click Switch to confirm. Renderforest will apply the new ratio and automatically reframe your scenes. Give it a moment to process. After the switch, play through a few scenes in the preview. Check that key elements like text, logos, and important action sit comfortably within the new frame. If any text looks cramped or cropped near the edges, consider slightly reducing its size or repositioning it inside the safe area so nothing gets cut off on different screens. Also pay attention to media that was originally shot in a different orientation. For example, vertical footage placed in widescreen may show background bars, and wide footage in portrait may crop. If something looks off, try centering the subject or adjusting the scale just enough to keep the essentials visible without losing important details. Once everything looks good, you're done with the ratio change. From here, continue editing as usual, and when you're ready, preview your entire video to make sure the pacing and framing feel natural in the new format. That's all it takes to switch video ratios in Renderforest. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating content that fits every screen perfectly.